Hi everyone. In this class, 10th standard, I am going to discuss with you a lesson, a letter to a God. Have you ever written a letter to God? No. Because when we lost our confidence, when we lost our energy, we will go to ask, wish a God. Here also one interesting story given for you. So before that, one of the cheapest ways, have you sent that? Have you sent any letter to by post office? Yeah, that is a very normal, easy way to send the letter. One of the cheapest ways to send money to someone is through by the post office. Have you ever sent or received money in this way? Definitely, because now is the technology is, so we can send the letter by post office. We can get the money from cell phone. For so many apps are there. So what is this? The meaning of a letter to God? Who is upset? Who got sadness in the field? That is the story of farmer. Those are going to grow the crops on the field. He got upset on the God. He is going to write the letter to God to solve his problem. Why he need? Where is God? As I told before itself. So when we lost our confidence, definitely, if you have confidence, we can win. But if you lost the confidence, we cannot do anything. Confidence is very greatest things in our mind. It is a positive way to win the everything. So the farmer also very upset. So let us discuss about your story. What they have given in your textbook. The house, the only one in the entire valley. One valley was there. In that valley, only one house were there. Only one house. Who's that farmer living in that home? Sat on the crest of a low hill. So it is surrounded by hill. Hill means, mountain, little mountain. Okay. From this height, one could see the river and the field and ripe of corn dotted with the flowers that always promised a good harvest. So it is very pleasant weather to grow the crops. So hills were there and trees were there and flowers. You can see sitting with all field with a river. But thing is that some problems he got by the natural disaster like that, cyclone, heavy rain. Let us see. You will know in this lesson. So the only thing the earth needed was downpour or at least a shower. See, the land also very nice to grow the crops. But they waiting for good rain. So rain, suitable rain for that. Who knew his fields ultimately had done nothing else but see the sky towards the northeast. But if not falling rain, they put their hand on their head and see north to east. So clouds are very dull. Now there is no chances to fall the rain. Now we are really going to get some water. So the farmer is need rain because just he put the seeds on in the field. So the woman who was preparing supper is his wife. Daily his duty, daily preparing food, dinner, supper, breakfast, he do that. So replied, as God willing, come, the God willing, definitely rain will come. So the older boys were working in the field. Older boys means the daughter, son of that farmer, while the smaller ones were playing near the house. Smaller means he can't go to field, he will play near to home. So until the woman called to them, she is going to call them, hey boys, hey girl, hey son, hey daughter, come to have supper. Now getting late, we have to go to field. Come for the dinner. It was during the meat that it is the time of supper means night meals. So just as Lencho had predicted. Lencho means the name of farmer. So big drops of rain began to fall. Oh my God, that time, the during of calling them, the rain started to fall on the earth. It is very, very happy, because when he got upset, the farmers, if the clouds begin to give a rain on the earth, they will get very happy. Big drops rain began to fall. In the northeast, huge mountain of clouds could be seen approaching. Wow, it is very pleasant weather to see. Definitely rain will fall, because the clouds also approaching rain. It is the probability to fall the rain. Definitely 100% he ensure that before going to have the lunch, dinner, he got happy. The air was fresh and sweet. See, before falling rain, the weather is like the air fresh and sweet. It seems very fresh and cold. The man went out for no other reason than to have the pleasure of feeling the rain on his body. He started that feeling. Definitely it is the feel of rain. My body is becoming cold. It is dapper that. And when he returned, he exclaimed, after that, go to home, and after returning that home, these aren't raindrops falling from the sky. He started that falling. All raindrops coming from the sky, falling from the sky. They are new coins. See, the narrator is going to the drop of water. My drop of rain is coin. Wow, it is like coin. It's equal to coin. It is equal to gold. It is equal to silver. So new coins, the big drops are 10. Wow, 10 pieces. Big drops is equal to 10 pieces. The small drops is equal to 5 pieces. The coin. This is very happy. You also know in this situation we are also waiting for someone else on the field. Like that weather is very pleasant. It is also chances to be fall rain, because it is a rainy season. But if not comes, what will happen, what the farmer will suffer, what they should do, what they want, they require to live in the valleys. So how to fulfill their wishes without rain, without growing any crops, that is very important. Do we have to think, being a woman? With a satisfied expression, regarded the field of ripe corn, it's a flowers. Flowers are shining like anything with the drop of waters. He got very happy, but it's after this he will get suffer that. So what happened? So hails will fall. Hails means, in Kannada, alikallu. So that is draped in certain of rain. His shirt is started to show that. Shown, and he draped means the full of water. So, but suddenly a strong wind began to blow, and along with the rain very large. After 5 minutes, what happened, Wind. Wind means birugali, and with heavy, it's a very, very, along with rain, very large hailstones began. Hailstones means the stones, it's no use for that farmer. It spoils everything, home, even field, everything, it's no use of that. So, what happened, let us see. So, these truly did resemble new silver coins, but it seems like that silver coins, what that hailstones, but no use of that. What is the use of that wind during of the rain? Rain we are waiting for just so normal rain, not it's like disaster, natural cyclone, wind, anything like that. So here happening, the boys exposing themselves to the rain. Boys, they don't know anything, just they are enjoying themselves. They going to eat that hailstones. The hailstones they will take and they will have that to very snow. Snow means snow, ice. Ran out to collect the frozen pearls. They are, see, narrator is going to compare, that is a pearls. Pearls means muttu. So snow, what is that? 5 rupees coins, 10 rupees coins. In the single drop of water, in the single drop of rain, it is equal to 10 cases, the 10 coins. But it is here the spoiling everything life of farmer. It's a really getting bad now. Now he got upset. Oh my God. It said before itself now it was very nice rain. Now what happening here? It's a spoiling everything. Weather is very bad. Wind very, very gust. Exclaimed the man, I hope it passes quickly. Oh my God. Oh my God, please go away, go away. Please save me, save me. The heavy rain and gust and with the hailstones, what can I do from that? Nothing will get from that. It will spoil everything my life. I am dependent on my field. So what can I do with a heavy rain? So I did not pass quickly, but it did not pass quickly. It continues for an hour and 2 hours and 3 hours for a one night. So after that, for an hour the hail rained on the house. So house, it comes to full of house, near to house. House also started to spoiling from that hailstone. Talk, 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 talk like that. Because that is not made of cement and that stone. It is a very kacha home. It's prepared by the kacha home, means it's made of mud. So it will spoil by heavy rain. So after that, the garden, the hillside, garden also spoiling, grass, even flower also falling down. So he is confused on the whole valley. He is seeing like that, and again he put hand on his head and started seeing all over on the sky. What happening here? So the field was white. So it is looking with the full of water means white. Without water, can you see white? No. It's a black mud, only black. As if covered with salt. It is a salt means a full of water with a hailstone. It's looking like hailstone, also like a salt. Okay. Dear students, in the next session we will discuss continue. I will go to continue. Thank you.